cool hat.
Come back again. Because I love do this. To do this. You see? Big boat.
Yeah, I see it.
You think we feel same tsunami or not?
I don't think so.
Good.
Honey, I hope you don't get your dress wet.
Whoa, wow. So nice you come with me.
Wow.
See?
Interesting.
You do this before or not? You see? The one open.
No. All right, well, Sue's about ready to go swimming.
Not swimming.
Just kidding.
I go do my oyster. Look, Heather. Look, my
Heather,
puppy.
did you know there's a wave coming?
Okay.
Tsunami. All right, she's going in the water now.
I know. Wow! No!
Whoa. We might have had to change the rating of our video there.
No, I'm not too tight on. Maybe this size too. Yeah, need to tight. You think how long I can? You think how long I can do it? Thank you.
Eric!
Harry, come here.
Where is he?
Good boy.
Harry!
Here.
All right.
Boy. You not need to do under the water. You can do on top too.
Okay.
But when you do under the water, you feel same fresh, right?
Yeah. I mean, I would think so.
What you think so?
I would think the ones that are under the water. Oh, look at Harry over there. I'm not sure what he's doing, but he looks like he's trying to go out to that rock. There he goes. Yeah, look at him.
I not see easy because the water move.
Here comes the waves.
Why you not tell me?
I didn't know. I didn't see it. Well, it's pretty small. It's not too bad.
No. Oh, too cold.
Kind of lost our son. Wow. That was a good one. Oh, they're getting bigger. Uh-oh. Where's the screwdriver? Oh, you got it. Oh, here's it. Woohoo!
No, too strong. Daddy boy. Heather so smart. She go high.
Honey, I found a good shoe. You want it? Carrie, drop it.
Anna,
Hold on, I'm gonna whip my hand.
it's fun.
Yeah. All right, well, we're gonna go back to the car and I'm gonna get a haircut, all right?
Yes.
Wow.
I think I get your haircut, Harry haircut, and Heather haircut,
Are you serious?
and Hannah haircut.
Oh, wow. Good boy. Drop it.
Oh, Harry, Hannah, so happy.
Harry, stop. Okay, good. Okay, watch, honey. Ready? Ready?
Oh,
Watch him, honey.
it's not easy to carry.
Harry, this way. He like did a tumbling.
Yeah,
somersault
yeah.
yesterday.
Look at Hannah.
Harry, come here.
Hannah.
Now watch, honey. You don't know how to get out of it.
This is the first time.
Harry, come here.
Heather, come here.
Honey, watch Harry. You gotta like do he did a somersault yesterday.
Oh, really?
Here. Yeah. Come here. Get out of there.
Harry said, I want to play too.
Nice and straight. No, you did it again. I don't think you realize you're doing this. You gotta throw it like your arm like this. See that? Nice and straight. Turning it. That was better, even though it just wasn't far enough. A little stronger, a little higher.
No. Enough.
Here it goes.
Oh,
See how
you do
straight I
very
do it?
good. You do very good.
Yeah.
Why I not do good?
You're doing this.
I don't know what's happened.
You gotta let go straight. That was better. You're getting better at it. Oh, you go. Harry.
Okay, Harry.
Oh no. Oh. It's gone now, honey.
Hey, I found some different things. I get a new thing. Yay!
All right.
No way! I'm not good about this. I don't want to lose
Ready,
again.
Harry?
Heather, come here.
She wants to go inside, honey.
You can go inside, Heather, if you want. Before I cannot cook wind too strong. Now seem better. I hope not turn off again.
How many times they had to turn it on?
5, 6.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry, Heather. You want some chicken? Heather goes, yes. I cut for you because when you eat, easy to.
Oh.
He have the.
Yeah, this one's done, honey. You want cheese on yours, honey?
Yes. I like cheese.
Here, why don't you take this one?
No, you first.
Okay.
I give you first.
All right. We better turn off this thing.
Eat a lot.
All right, that's plenty, honey.
Yeah, one piece.
Yeah, that's good.
This good.
No, honey, it's too much.
Heather be hungry too. Maybe Harry want to come in. Harry, you want to eat? Harry, come.
Wait a minute, he's tied up. You want to use my plate?
No, I have my.
Because mine's, I'm done with it.
Wow. With Thai sauce. Perfect.
Want some more chicken, honey?
Eat a lot. I think I want to eat around the bone. I like. Perfect. It's for you. Okay. Good girl.